Salalah, located in the southern region of Oman, is one of the most extraordinary bird habitats in the Arabian Peninsula. Unlike the dry deserts often associated with the Middle East, Salalah transforms into a lush green paradise during the Khareef monsoon season, creating ideal conditions for both resident and migratory birds. With mist-covered mountains, freshwater springs, wetlands, lagoons, forests, and long coastlines, Salalah becomes a sanctuary for birdlife from across Africa, Asia, and Europe. This unique ecological balance makes Salalah one of the best birdwatching destinations in the Gulf region. Cloud with rain. Why Salalah is special for birds. From June to September, monsoon rains bring cooler temperatures, flowing water, and rich vegetation. This seasonal transformation creates breeding grounds, feeding zones, and resting areas for hundreds of bird species. Birds are drawn here by abundant insects and fish, freshwater wetlands and wadis, dense forests and grasslands, coastal lagoons and cliffs. As a result, Salalah hosts resident birds, seasonal migrants, and passage migrants that stop to rest during long journeys. Parrot resident birds of Salalah. Green circle Arabian partridge. One of the most iconic birds of Dhofar, the Arabian partridge has a rounded body, gray-brown feathers, black facial markings, and red legs. It lives in rocky hills and mountain slopes. These birds form pairs during breeding season and lay eggs in shallow ground nests. Green circle white-cheeked bulbul. Easily recognized by its black head, white cheek patches, and yellow undertail, this lively bird is commonly found in gardens, farms, and wooded areas. It feeds on fruits, insects, and nectar and plays an important role in seed dispersal. Green circle laughing dove. With soft pinkish-brown feathers and a spotted black collar, the laughing dove is often heard before it is seen. Its gentle cooing echoes through villages and open fields. These birds build simple nests and raise multiple broods each year. Flamingo wetland and water birds. Blue circle greater flamingo. One of the most stunning birds seen in Salalah's lagoons such as Khor Rory and Albalid, flamingos are tall birds with pink plumage, long legs, and curved beaks. They feed by filtering algae and small organisms from shallow water. Flamingos often gather in large flocks, creating breathtaking scenes. Blue circle gray heron. Tall and elegant, the gray heron has gray and white feathers, a long neck, and sharp beak. It hunts fish patiently in wetlands and wadis. These birds nest in trees or reed beds and are often solitary hunters. Blue circle little egret. Smaller than herons, the little egret is bright white with black legs and yellow feet. It actively chases fish and insects in shallow water, often seen dancing through streams and ponds. Eagle birds of prey. Brown circle steppe eagle. A powerful migratory raptor, the steppe eagle has broad wings, dark brown plumage, and keen eyesight. It visits Salalah during migration seasons, soaring above open plains and mountains in search of prey. Brown circle osprey. Often spotted near the coast, the osprey has a white underside, dark wings, and a distinctive eye stripe. It is a skilled fish hunter, diving dramatically into the sea to catch prey. Ospreys build large nests on cliffs or platforms. Brown circle Bonelli's eagle. Found in mountainous areas, this medium-sized eagle has dark upperparts and a pale underside. It feeds on small mammals and birds and plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance. Coastal and seabirds. Water wave Socotra cormorant. A striking black seabird with blue eyes and a long neck, this species is often seen diving for fish near the coast. Large flocks gather on rocky shores and islands. Water wave white-eyed gull. Endemic to the region, this gull has white feathers, gray wings, and pale eyes. It thrives along Oman's coastline and feeds on fish and marine leftovers. Water wave sooty falcon. A rare and elegant bird, the sooty falcon nests on cliffs and islands. It has dark gray feathers and sharp wings, perfectly adapted for high-speed flight. Baby chick life cycle of birds in Salalah. Bird life in Salalah follows a seasonal rhythm. During Khareef, many species breed, taking advantage of abundant food and shelter. Birds build nests in trees, cliffs, reeds, or ground cover. Eggs hatch within weeks, and chicks grow rapidly due to plentiful insects and fruits. Migratory birds arrive during autumn and spring, resting and feeding before continuing long journeys between continents. Salalah serves as a critical stopover that ensures their survival. Habitats that support birdlife. Wadis and springs, Ein Atham, Ein Gade. Lagoons, Khor Rori, Al Balid. Forests, Ger Forest, Jebel Kara. Mountains, Jebel Samhan. Coastline, Mugsale, Fazaya. Each habitat supports different species, making Salalah incredibly diverse. Compass Birdwatching Tourist Guide. Round Pushpin Best time to visit. June-September, Khareef maximum bird activity. October-March, migratory species. School backpack tips for birdwatchers. Carry binoculars and zoom cameras. Visit early morning or late afternoon. Wear neutral colors. Maintain silence and distance. Do not disturb nests. Automobile travel advice. Use a 4x4 vehicle for mountain areas. Follow local regulations in protected zones. Hire local guides for rare species spotting. Why bird conservation matters. Birds play a crucial role in pollination, pest control, and seed dispersal. Salalah's bird diversity reflects the health of its ecosystem. Protecting wetlands, forests, and coastlines ensures these species continue to thrive for generations. Sparkle's conclusion. Birds of Salalah are more than just wildlife, they are storytellers of seasons, migration, and survival. From graceful flamingos and powerful eagles to cheerful bulbuls and elusive falcons, Salalah offers a living symphony of wings and song. For nature lovers, photographers, and explorers, Salalah is a paradise where the sky comes alive.